Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and today we're looking at a 2020 Kia Sorento EX front-wheel drive. We just posted an LX yesterday, so check it out. This one is featured in snow white pearl with black interior. It's offered by Lou Fusz KIA in St. Louis. For additional information or to arrange a test drive, contact Josh. His information is listed below. As we move around to the rear of the vehicle, we see the LED taillights, the EX badging. We also see the rear spoiler that's body color, the silver roof rails. Great look at the gloss black 19-inch wheels and tires, as well as the body color side mirrors that are heated and body color. Here we see the LED headlights, LED fog lights. They are projector beam headlights and projector fog lights. As we dive into the interior, we have a 3-row vehicle. This is the second row. It's a 40-20-40 split fold-down seats. Here we see the driver's compartment. We'll touch more on the second and third row in a moment. Here we can see the one-touch slide second row accessing the third row, which is a 50-50 fold flat seat. And we move around to the driver's compartment. We get a great look at the leather wrapped steering wheel with the fingertip controls and the center stack. We'll talk more about the 7-inch screen here in a moment. Here we see additional power ports for the second row. And a great door-to-door dash shot as we zoom in on the driver's compartment and the center stack. We'll touch more on that in detail here in just a moment as we tilt back and show the panoramic moonroof. So here we see the one-touch up and down windows, as well as the power driver's seat with lumbar. Very comfortable seats. The side bolstering really holds you in on the corners. Again, the center stack, dual zone climate control, push button start. The instrument cluster. It's a tilt telescoping steering wheel, and here we see the panoramic sunroof with the power sunshade, and as you can see, it really retracts quickly. And then we go ahead and close it. It really is amazing. Now, it's a rainy day, but you get a sunny day when the weather's cool and you open that up, let the sun in. Here we see the power windows. Again, they're one touch up and down. We also have power mirrors. And here we see the instrument cluster as we back up and see the fingertip controls on the leather wrapped steering wheel. Here we see the 7-inch touchscreen, heated front seats. We have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, smartphone integration, Bluetooth wireless technology. We have the backup camera with dynamic guidelines, smart cruise with stop and go, lane departure warning, lane keeping assist, driver attention warning. Nice little cubby here with additional power ports. We have two 12-volt power ports as well as USB. Two nice cup holders. And then we also see the driver's mode. We'll punch through that. You'll see that in the instrument cluster. Very easy to see when you're driving. Punch through the various options. We also have the electronic parking brake. And the center console, it's very nice and deep, as well as additional power ports, USB, and then a nice little tray for your personal items so it's easy to get to. The glove box contains your owner's manual. And additional controls on the steering wheel that allow you to punch through the various options and personalize your drive. Here's the rear compartment. Again, it's a third row, full flat seat. And as far as storage capacity, we have 11 cubic feet with the seats up, 73 cubic feet with all the seats down. Additional storage here. Third row climate controls. Power lift gate. And the engine is a 3.3 liter GDI 6-cylinder engine producing 290 horse, made it to an 8-speed automatic transmission. It's front wheel drive, delivering 19 city, 26 highway. Great looking engine, easy to access the windshield washer fluid when you refill it, as well as checking your oil. Thanks again for watching.